quick vlog on Sunday, just making the kids some quick fried chicken and got some minute rice on and some broccoli over here cooking. Let me get some of this chicken frying. We're trying to brought down here some blocks.
Yeah, we put inside the little white box that he was using. Oh my god. In fact, they got rice. Okay. And oh god. And royal points.
How big for me to it?
Well, okay. Oh god. Oh well, come on. I gotta put the pillow behind me. Oh god. But no, if I do that, I'm gonna ruin the video.
Boy, just do what you doing, okay?
Oh, Mom, because I was about to do this. I was about to put the thing behind the camera and say, and
yeah, don't do none of that.
cream.
Yeah, I don't need you to be over here playing. Stop being goofy.
So standing tippy.
And that'll be my son, RJ. He want to put stuff in front of the camera while I'm vlogging. Yep, that sounds about right. That's an 8-year-old for you. Back there skinning and grinning, you laughing. And now you quiet.
Ma, you painting all of them at the same time?
Mama girl, how big is this fryer? Not big enough to put the whole thing in there, right?
Yes.
So I'm gonna put 4 chicken tenders at a time. It'll fit 4. Until Mom buys a bigger fryer, which I need to buy.
Bring your hot dog in the microwave.
Y'all back up. You can talk, but y'all chatting all into the camera. Y'all gotta understand that.
I gotta hurry up and win this race. My brother's winning the race.
Alright, chicken down. Wash my hands. Your black console says already, wooden. Is that like that already?
You pick that up?
Oh, the black one, yeah.
Pick that already? Oh, no, they didn't. But you moved the other one. You should have moved that one in.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Now you move that one, that's going to give it time. Because it already was good.
You got some barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
Well, there's not one.
I don't want none. I want mine, huh? I want blue. What? You said barbecue, not
Barbecue, baby, barbecue.
It power has blue. That's fine.
You have blue.
No, you have blue last time. We had ice cream.
The juice that you're getting. Let's not do that.
Well, where's mine?
In my plate.
Oh.
What you doing there? Give me another plate. Well, give me on the plate. Close the plate, please. All right, maybe you can get your chair. You sit down, sitting.
Mama got a fork, huh? Now where's mine?
Right here. Make Cootie a plate.
I got right here. Over here. Here, you want that to take for?
Ooh, that's hot. Dude, that chicken gonna be too hot for you right now, baby. It's hot, dude.
Camera look weird.
Put some barbecue onto the plate and let it sit for a couple of minutes. Yeah, come on, baby. Look at this chicken. Excuse me. How's y'all been, little people?
Good.
Good. Okay, dude. All right, this chicken definitely done over here.
How come I
Oh,
can't
that's good from the soup.
Mom?
Huh?
Good.
Chocolate thin pineapple. Yeah, go ahead. That's interesting.
Yeah, that's a. Cause usually shuckleberry don't. Shuckleberry really don't go together with anything else. It's like watermelon, yes.
Lemon, yeah.
Lemon.
Yes. What is it? Huh?
Demonte called him Thootie, but Thootie is Demonte.
Huh? Dude, you calling him yourself? Okay. And you are dude. You love dude? I love you too.
Yeah, we all love Dude. huge, really.
Boy, what are you talking about?
Say, have you seen my beard? My white puppy beard.
Oh, alrighty.
No.
One of y'all get a free time. Go throw that in the trash, please. Thank you. And if you're done, get your juice, whether it's the Capri Sun or the bear juice, and then I will cut you a piece of cake. Yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry, face.
I was over. I was.
You can hear.
No, I said I was.
Alright, y'all. I'm about done frying this chicken. And then I'm ready to get this kitchen cleaned up. I will see y'all on the next one.